Get over them by getting under me.
Hi, my name is not important. I'm not from here, I'm imported. I drink.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Dipashri, and today I want to show you how to incorporate a pop of color in your everyday makeup look without it looking over dramatic. This makeup look is beginner friendly. So starting off, I'm going to prep my skin with a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion for all skin type. I'm gently applying it all over my face and my neck area to moisturize my skin really well before makeup. This particular step is very important for all skin types. Now to prime my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Ka Photo Focus Matte Primer. This primer is really good for oily skin type. It gives you like the smooth and matte finish which you like. Now for the concealer part, I'm using the Krylon stick in number FS28. This is like the perfect match for my skin. This is actually a full coverage foundation stick slash concealer. So this is a great choice if you're a dry skin type, and you should give it a try. This is like a full coverage, and if you have any problems with pigmentation, then this will surely cover it up for you. So for the foundation, I'm using the C2 Pro foundation palette. So this palette has got like this wide variety of shades to choose from highlighter shades to darker contouring shades. So this is a great palette for makeup artists and for people like me whose skin tone changes frequently. So there are also like this darker shades in the palette which can be used for contouring, and the lighter shades which can be used for highlighting. So I'm just going to use the shade that matches my skin the best and use it as my foundation. To pick up the product from the palette, I'm using this foundation brush which makes it very easy to pick up the product and apply it on the skin directly. So to blend the foundation, I'm using a beauty blender, and then I'll be following it up with the brush. So this way it will help me get a flawless base. To fill in my eyebrows, here I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. So this pencil is really nice because it has got this pulley at the back of it. So next for my eyeshadow part, I'm using this palette Imagination from Revolution. So for the transition color, I'm using this beige and orangey shades and mixing it up and using it as my transition color. So next I'm just going to add a bit darker color to the beige color and use it in the outer corners to give it a bit of depth. I'm using very little color on my eyelids. I don't want to use too much pigments because I want to give that subtle kind of look. So next I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. It is called Comfort Zone. So from that I'll be using this green shade on my eyelids. A quick tip here, if you want to coordinate your eye makeup with your outfit, simply choose a dominant pop of color from your outfit and blend it with a neutral transition color, and also give it a little bit of depth by using a darker color on the outer corners of the eye, and you can also use a highlighter on the inner corners to give it a little bit of pop. And don't forget to blend in the colors really well to give it that seamless finish. So next I'm using a darker green color on the outer edge from the same palette and blending it really well. So now I'm just going to line my waterline with this Kajal eye pencil from Rimmel. So next I'm just going to use a liquid eyeliner. So I really tried doing the eyeliner on camera, but I couldn't, and I didn't want to spoil the look, so I just did it off camera. So next I'm just gonna use a blush. So I'm using this blush from LA Colors. So this is a 3D blush contour palette. So it has got like this contour blush and highlighter color in it. So I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks and my chin and a little bit on my nose and just blend it well. I'm also using the contour shade from the same blush palette and contouring a little bit. So now I'll just top it up with the compact powder from Faces Canada. So for the lips part, I'm using a lip liner from Miss Claire. So you can use any lip liner of your choice that would go well with your lipstick. So here I'm using a nude color. So for the lip color, I'm mixing these two shades. I'm using the NYX Powder Puff Lippy in the shade Cool Intentions. This is like a cool nude kind of color. And then I'm going to mix it up with Miss Claire number 58. So for this look, I'm using eyelashes. So if you want, you can put a mascara and end there. But I wanted to use false lashes for this look. So using false lashes really makes a lot of difference to your looks other than just using a mascara. So next, just to highlight, I'm using this Nykaa highlighter. It's in the shade Glitterati 02. So I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face and a little bit on my nose and my chin too. I'm also going to use a little bit of highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes for that extra pop, and I'm also going to use a little bit under my eyes. And that's all for the look. So to finish off the look, I'll be using a bindi. And I'll also be using a nose pin. And that's all for the look. So let me know how you like the look in the comments down below. And don't forget to like if you really like this video, and let me know if you kind of end up trying the look for yourself. And that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really liked it. I really had fun creating this look. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below how you like my look. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.